Today we're going to be installing an hour meter on the Husqvarna model YTH 18542. As you can see, a brand new riding lawnmower from Lowe's. Base model, but the hour meter is not installed. Does not come with an hour meter on the base model. Next model up that does come with the hour meter is about $300 more. So what I did was purchased a brand new hour meter from Husqvarna online, only $17.99. There's your part number. Here is the part out of the bag with the H on the left hand side, and that's how you're going to be installing it. First thing we're going to do is lift the lid on the mower, and right here at the gas tank we're going to reach underneath here and grab the clip on either side, squeeze, and it comes right on out. Next, underneath here as well, you're going to find a connector for the hour meter. It's got a black and blue wire. Again, reach underneath here, and very easy to find, and bring it through the opening there. Now we take the hour meter. We have a connector, one up, one across, and the H is going to install to the left. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to need to set the phone down for a second here because I only have two hands. We're going to connect this to here, and all you're going to do is slide it in. Very, very easy. So now I just have to set the phone down for 1 second. After you slide the part on, this is what it's going to look like. And there again, it only took me a few seconds to install that. And basically all you do, snap it in. And there you have it. Brand new hour meter for the base model Husqvarna. And like I said, this should work for any model. If you already have one on there and it gets defective and you have to replace it, you know how to do it. Or if you do buy a brand new mower and it does not come with a hour meter, you know how to install it now. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Look for more. Have a great day.